This could have been easier. Could have been with your family. Instead, you want to act a fool? That's fine.
I'm not acting a fool. You were the one that's acting a f***ing fool. I'm okay. I'm not f***ing aggressive at all. That's that. I ain't aggressive at all.
On May 10th, 2024, Orlando officers responded to a hotel eviction request at the Universal Orlando Dockside Inn and Suites. An intoxicated father was tackled in front of his children, charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, and later saw all charges dismissed.
Hello.
Hi, friends.
What's going on?
So we have 2910 and 2909. They're best friends. They know each other from wherever back home is. 2910 kids had custody of 2903's kids.
Okay.
2910 kids left his kids unattended, came back to the room.
Okay.
2903 realized, he freaked out. We got called up here for a fist fight. When we got up here, they were arguing. They pushed each other back and forth. We got them to separate. I want them both gone. 2903, banging all up and down, smacking on elevators, doing all that. 2910, wouldn't listen when we said to get back in this room. I want them both off my property.
Cool.
I would start with 2903 because he's very intoxicated. He's very violent and very physically violent. He's fully gone off on that way.
We do 2903 first, or we do it?
Is he sleeping right now? Is he awake?
His wife and him are arguing.
Where? See, watch out. You can slide down that way. Hello.
How you doing, sir? Do me a favor, take my partner over here.
What's going on tonight?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Okay.
My kids
Your kids
were
what?
lost.
Okay.
Why is there aggression and shit?
What do you mean aggression?
Like, why is all this?
Because you're trying to figure out what's going on.
My kids went missing,
Okay.
and I tried to find the last people that were with my children, which is my best friend down the hall.
Okay.
And his kids wouldn't f***ing say where the last place they saw my children.
Okay.
So I kind of lost my shit. I'm trying to understand where the f*** my kids went.
Right.
Because they were with her kids the last time I saw them.
Okay.
So my kids are now here. We're all good.
Okay.
So can we just go to bed?
Okay. So, on behalf of the staff of the hotel, they don't want you here anymore.
I'm sorry?
They don't want you here anymore.
They don't want me here anymore.
Nope. So, whatever happened earlier, before we got here, they're just done with it, okay? So, I'm just letting you know what's going on.
All right, so we got to go at f***ing 11 o'clock at night.
Yes,
Then
sir.
can he go and can I stay here with my kids? Because
They told me everybody.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Josh?
Like, what the f***?
I'm right here, sir.
I lost my kids, bro.
Sir.
I lost my kids,
Sir.
bro.
Story with him?
Yeah, wait, you can't even f***ing make eye contact
Yes,
anymore?
sir.
You
Hey.
Talk to you again, try to help
We're
you
not
out.
doing that, okay? Come on.
What are we gonna, where are we gonna, I don't want to go over there.
Why are you so aggressive with me?
Because you're making me f***ing leave. We have a cheer competition tomorrow morning.
Relax.
And now I gotta f***ing find another place to stay.
Relax.
Josh, stop.
No, we're gonna,
Stop.
don't approach me.
How am I approaching
with your
you?
f***ing videos.
Okay.
Go, baby.
Stop.
We're gonna go somewhere else, honey.
Be quiet.
This is the stupidest f***ing shit I've ever f***ing heard in my life.
Stop. Calm yourself.
I'm f***ing calm.
No.
I lost my kids,
Okay.
and this turned into a whole f***ing you gotta go bullshit
Stop.
because you're a f***ing pussy.
Lower your
We're
voice.
gonna leave. It's fine. We're gonna leave.
Okay. Okay, just gotta go, okay?
Yeah, he's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we're f***ing okay, bro.
Start backing up.
We're gonna pack our shit and we're gonna f***ing go. You wanna watch?
No.
You wanna f***ing watch?
Josh.
You f***ing clown.
Josh.
Come on, sweet tits.
Can we have like 20 minutes or so?
That's fine. That's fine.
Just for us, no firearms, nothing like that you were.
What?
No
Firearms,
good.
nothing like that. Just for our
No,
safety.
no. I'm sorry. I just flew from DC, like in like a place I've met them here from like, oh my gosh.
You gotta be kidding me.
I came around like 4 hours.
I lost my kids, bro. I was freaking out because I lost my kids.
Okay.
And I'm a victim to this shit. Have you ever lost your kids before?
No, I haven't.
No. So you don't know how it feels. You don't know what it would think mentally.
I want to lose my.
But you're gonna kick me out of this hotel. Huh?
Man, pack your stuff. Pack your stuff. We're not gonna be here all day. Okay.
I'm sorry, but like, are we gonna be charged for like this whole entire stay?
So once we get downstairs, we'll figure everything out. Okay.
This is unbelievable.
Just pack your stuff, please.
I will.
Thank you.
No, we have no choice. Here we go.
Yeah, can you just shut the up? I can't.
If you want to start helping, pack it.
Yeah.
Just start.
I know, but like, I'm sorry.
No, I
I have
got
really
you.
bad anxiety, and like, I can't.
Hey, do you guys know, do they have a car on property?
I can find out.
Yeah, you can find out. And that way maybe we could find a better exit to get him out. Not through the lobby, because he's gonna make a show.
Oh, he already did with your
Yeah, so,
But yeah.
find out if they have a car and an exit where we could away from everybody, because he's gonna...
You don't need a watch.
Yes, I can.
No, you
I don't know what
don't.
else is in here.
I'm sorry?
I don't know what else is in here.
It's my children and myself.
I don't know.
Josh, stop, Josh. Can you just,
Him.
Josh, turn your off.
Him and his
Josh, just
bullshit.
please.
Hotel sucked anyway.
Come on, just, dude.
I'm not gonna go out quiet, baby. I'm not going out quiet.
Josh, do we need to?
No, we're gonna make this fun.
No, I don't need to. Josh.
Bye.
Hey, you get the winning lotto tickets, sweetheart? Did you get them? Did you look at them? No, they not go out yet.
Did you just put that thing on the floor?
Sweetheart.
Why are you looking at me like that?
You, what the you looking at, bitch?
I'm looking at you.
I'm looking at you, you bitch. What are you looking at?
Coco?
You got it.
I don't know either. I don't know either.
Don't give it.
He's cute. He's cute. You got a pretty mouth. Real
Do you have
good.
collars, burgers, and everything? Yes, I have everything.
I hope I'm wasting a lot of Orlando PD's tax dollars.
Oh, yeah.
This minute bullshit. Pussy boy.
Your daughter's calling your name.
Pussy boy.
Oh, okay.
Here we go, pussy boy. You want to walk me out?
Go ahead,
You want to
man.
hold my hand?
Keep walking.
You want to hold my
Keep
hand?
walking.
You want to hold my hand, boy?
Okay.
on, Dad.
What's up, sweet tits? See you later, baby. You're cute as a motherfucker, you know that?
Because you want to keep building my anxiety, it's not going to work.
Get
What's
behind me.
up? What's up?
Don't get behind me.
What's up?
What's up? I was born before you, bitch. I'm smarter than you, bitch. Don't fucking look at me. Don't fucking judge me. I lost my fucking kids, dude. I lost my I lost my shit. I lost my shit.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You got This could have been easier. Could have been with your family. Instead, you want to act a fool? That's fine.
I'm not acting a fool. You were the one that's acting a f***ing fool. I'm okay. I'm not f***ing aggressive at all. That's that. I ain't aggressive at all. It's cute.
You see a body camera?
Drop yours?
Yeah.
Probably hold underneath. No, that's right here.
Cute.
Got it.
Thought you feel real tough now, sweetheart.
Let me roll one second.
Yo, stay your ass down. We'll tell you when to get up.
I'm sorry. I thought.
No, stay your ass down. Now you're gonna do what the we tell you to do.
Here we go. Sitting down. Sitting down. Real pretty. As far as I remember, you pushed me first, bitch. We'll hold that up. Come. You little bitch.
Let's go. Get up. Not yet.
You hold him right there.
Which side?
What? This is horrible. You alright?
Good?
You good?
Yeah, you bleeding yet?
I'm alright.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
The eviction itself was legally clean. Florida Statute 509.141 grants innkeepers authority to remove intoxicated or disorderly guests, and Section 810.08 converts refusal to depart into trespass. The First Amendment analysis is where the case begins to tilt. Under City of Houston v. Hill, profanity and insults toward police are fully protected expression. No officer may arrest based on speech alone, and Florida's disorderly conduct statute is narrower still. L.A.T. versus State confirms that loud or profane language, without more, cannot sustain a conviction. The central charge was battery on an officer under Section 784.07, which reclassifies simple battery on an officer from a misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. But under Gonzalez v. State, the touching must be intentional and directed. Contact incidental to an officer-initiated takedown does not, by itself, satisfy the statute. Force is governed by Graham v. Connor. Severity was low. Threat was ambiguous without a thrown strike, and active resistance was minimal while the subject was walking out with his family. The most consequential complication is on camera. Minor children were present at the moment of the takedown, a factor that national training standards weigh heavily against physical intervention where separation is feasible. The dismissal of all three charges is the strongest post hoc signal. Prosecutors with full discovery access decline to pursue any count, which typically reflects First Amendment concerns or force-to-offense ratios. A dismissal is not an acquittal, and the subject is not vindicated, but it is the clearest indication available that the charging decision did not align with the evidence a jury would actually see.
One time. Friday Night Lights. Oh, because I lost my tooth. And here we are, the power trip.
What's up?
No, I got nothing, bro.
Alright. Cool. Lottery tickets.
That's the one I offered you, sweet tits.
That's the one I want? That's the winner?
Bitch.
Okay. Alright.
The primary officer earns a C+ for a measured opening and refusal to arrest for protected speech, with a deduction for thin de-escalation during the walkout. The takedown officer earns a C-. Force was defensible in isolation but was chosen before any strike, in front of minors, and for a charge that ultimately could not stand. The subject earns a D. Protected speech cannot offset unprotected conduct. And prioritizing confrontation over a peaceful exit with his family was the unilateral choice of an intoxicated parent. The hotel earns a B for a statutorily grounded eviction, even-handed treatment of both disputing guests, and appropriate escalation to law enforcement rather than private intervention. The central lesson is that a dismissal is the strongest feedback any officer receives on a discretionary use of force, and it arrives only after the charge has already been filed and reviewed. Protected speech never loses its protection because an officer finds it offensive. The test remains conduct, not tone, and anger at insults does not expand any lawful duty prong. When children are in frame, every force decision is scrutinized through that lens by prosecutors, juries, and review boards. A trespass call almost never justifies a takedown in front of minors. Let us know what legal topics you'd like us to analyze in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.